Today we're looking at dependent events. When the outcome of one event impacts the outcome of another is a dependent event. Read each situation below and determine if it's independent or dependent event. Flipping two coins results in one landing on heads and one landing on tails. Well, if I flip heads on your first coin, it has nothing to do with my second coin. So that's an independent event. The captain of the football team is selected and then the co-captain is selected. This is dependent because once you select the captain, he can't also be the co-captain. He is out of the number of players you can choose from. You draw a joker from a deck of cards and then you draw an ace. This is dependent also because once you take the joker out, there's one fewer card in the deck to choose from. You draw a queen from a deck of cards, replace it, and then draw a 10. Replace it tells me on the second draw I still have the same 52 cards in my deck. So that's independent. A coin is flipped and a number cube is rolled. If I get a heads or tails, it does not affect at all the outcome of my number cube. So that one is independent. So to find the probabilities for an independent event, it's just the probability of A times the probability of B. However, on an independent event, you do still have the probability of A, but on the second one, it's the probability of B minus the probability of A. So that means my denominator and sometimes my numerator will change. So Neil goes to the pet shop, selects a treat for his dog. He chooses one and then chooses another. What is the probability that Neil selects a bone and then a ball? So we've got 3 bones out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 events. So when we choose the ball, we have 2, but we've selected 1 bone. So now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things to choose from. So 3 times 2 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. I can divide both of these by 6. So my answer is 1 out of 7. Mackenzie chooses one candle and then chooses another candle. What is the probability Mackenzie selects a polka dot candle both times? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, and 2 of them have polka dots. But Mackenzie's now selected this one, so it's not there anymore. And we have 4 candles, and only one of them has polka dots. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Simplify my fraction. I can divide them both by 2. I have 1